Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to add contacts to GroupMe. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open the GroupMe app on your device and you will land on the chat section. Here, to add contacts, tap the Contacts tab at the left. Once you do that, tap Find and Invite Friends. The option to sync your contacts will be shown. So tap Sync Contacts. This method will add your contacts that use GroupMe. Tap Sure. So that's how you add contacts to GroupMe. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one.